Problem 92. Boom. It says that there's a canoe doing stuff and there's a person in the canoe doing stuff, and I don't have the problem up. Give me a sec to get the problem up. Okay. Yes, there's a person in a canoe. This is the canoe. This is the person. And they're 1 meter here. From the edge. 1 meter. And then there's 3 meters. And then there's 1 more meter. And then they end up over here. And it wants us to figure out how far the boat moves over as she moves the opposite direction. So, there are actually 2 ways you can solve this. One is super hard and long and sucks lots of things, but I don't think I should be saying those things. And the other is really simple and easy, so we're going to do the really simple easy one because it's really simple and easy. So, in any system like this, the center of mass is going to stay the same. So, for example, if you're like sitting on a chair, right, that has wheels on it, and you throw your arms both like straight out, super far, and then pull them back in, you're going to move backwards, and then you're going to move back forwards as you pull your arms back in, because your center of mass is going to stay in the same spot, because there's no external forces acting on you, so your center of mass is just going to stay the same. So the same thing is true here. So, the lady in this weighs 45 kilograms, is that right? Yeah, 45 kilograms. And then the boat itself weighs 60 kilograms, right? Right. Okay. So then, the first thing we want to do is calculate the center of mass. So the way that I did this is, I did a weighted average, which is always a fun thing. So I did it from the edge here, and then working my way over. So the lady is 1 meter over times 45 over 45 plus 60. And that will give you the percentage of the entire system that she makes up. And then you add in the boat, which is 60. Or wait, no. The center of mass of the boat, since we're assuming it's symmetric, is going to be at 2.5 because it's 5 meters long. And then times 60 over 45 plus 60. And that should come out to be a number. I don't remember what that number is. Let me find that number. I believe that number comes out to be a number. Give me a sec. Okay, so this adds up to be 105 for the total. 105, 105. So I'm just going to do this a long way because I don't want to go grab my calculator. You know, that'd probably be easier. 2 times this is going to be 120 plus half of that, which is 30. So that comes out to be 150. 150. So you get 45 plus 150, which is 195 over 105. And that's going to equal your center of mass. And then that center of mass is going to stay in the same place relative to an outside observer, basically. But then when she moves over, the boat's going to move under her. So let's say that the center of mass is right here in relationship to the boat. When she moves over, it's going to be basically the same distance except from the opposite end, because the boat's symmetric and the only thing that's really changing is her. So then we can just find the difference in the two there. And then, what did I do? Subtract that from 5. Does that make sense? So we're taking the distance here minus the distance here. So this is from the end of the boat to the center of mass, and this is from the end of the boat to the center of mass before she moves, and that's from after. And those are going to be the same because you're basically just mirroring the system, so they're going to be the same except from opposite ends. So we can take our answer here, multiply it by 2, and then that will get us this plus this, and then subtract that sum from 5 because the entire thing is 5. So 5 minus, what is that going to be? 108.3. No, 2. No. Yeah, that should be 380 over 105. I think that's right. I do need a calculator, I lied. It's always the stupidest things that catch you up. But that looks right. We'll just do 380 divided by 2. So that's easier. So that comes out to be 190. Oh, okay, so this should be actually 390. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. So this comes out to be 390 minus 390 over 105. Minus 5, so you get 5 minus 390 over 105, and that comes out to be 1 point. Is that right? 1.285? I think that is the right answer. Let me just double check against my other one, because I did it a different way too. Yeah, okay, so that is the right answer. And that's in meters. And that's going to be in this direction that the canoe's moving. So, yeah.